What is up, you guys? It's Ed from TechSource, and today I'm going to guide you in the process of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini smartphone. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a locked AT&T Galaxy S4 Mini and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network. So first off, we need to get the unlock code for the phone before we proceed with the unlocking procedure. One of the best unlocking companies that are currently available is the unlockingcompany.com, and I use them for all my smartphones just because they have the lowest prices and the fastest delivery times. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com. Once you're there, you're going to be selecting your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. Now once you do that, select Get Unlocking Code, and that will take you to the next step, which is to select what country you purchased the phone from, as well as the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it from the United States, and the carrier is AT&T. You will need the phone's IMEI number to continue, and I'm gonna show you how to look it up on your phone. Open up your dial pad and enter in *#06#, and the number will immediately show up, and you will need to enter that on the website to continue. Make sure you select the correct currency for your country before moving on. Once you select Get Unlocking Code and check out securely with PayPal, they will email you the code. The price and time vary depending on the phone, but don't worry because you are getting the best possible price with the fastest delivery times. So once you do receive your code via email, it's time to unlock your phone. So before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Go ahead and remove the backplate of the phone and the battery as well so you can gain access to the SIM tray. And this is where you insert the SIM card that you wish to use with the phone. If your SIM card is a different size, then you have to adjust it in order for it to fit. I have provided you guys with a link in the description section to show you how that's done. After you insert the SIM card in the tray, go ahead and put back the battery and the back case and power it back on your phone. Now once it powers up, go ahead and leave your lock screen. Once you do that, a prompt will appear asking you to enter in an unlock code. When this happens, go ahead and enter the code that you received in the email. After you are done entering in the lock code, it will take you straight to the home screen like it did here, and the phone is now unlocked and you can begin using it right away. As you can see here, I am using an AT&T S4 Mini on my T-Mobile network. So that is how you unlock your Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini smartphone. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions at all, then you can leave them in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource, and I will see you next time.